Hi guys, in this video I will show you step by step how to load LUTs on your Sony ZV-E1 so that you can maximize its full potential. I will also do some tests and answer some of the most asked questions about this topic. For example, does the ZVE1 still profit from the dual base ISO of 640 and 12800 when we apply a LUT to it? Or is the LUT going to be baked into the final video? We'll find out soon, so grab your camera and let's get started. First, prepare your memory card that you use for your ZVE1. Insert it to your computer. Now go to Private, Sony, Pro, and then you will find a folder called LUT. If there isn't, you can just create a new folder called LUT. Open it and it should be empty by default. And now copy the LUTs that you want to load to your camera and paste them here. The LUT should be a 17 point or 33 point cube file, and the file name should be less than 63 alphanumeric characters. This is according to Sony official help guide. Next, put the memory card inside your camera. Go to Menu, Exposure and Color, Color Tone, Manage User LUTs, Import and Edit. You will see User 1 to User 16. You can choose whichever number you want to register the data. Choose OK once it is done. At this point, your LUTs have already been loaded to your camera. As you can see here, I press FN, Picture Profile. Just below Picture Profile 11, there is the LUTs that I have just added. If I choose any of them, you can see the color and tone of the LUT is reflected on the monitor. I will record a short clip and see if it's only a display to let me preview how it looks with the LUT, or maybe it is already baked in the clip. So now I'm viewing the file on my computer. You can see the color is baked in. Let's try something else. Go to Menu, Shooting, Image Quality Record. Here you will see log shooting setting. Originally, the log shooting is turned off. Let's turn it on. It says Flexible ISO, and the Sony explanation says it means record in S-Log3 by flexibly adjusting the ISO. Well, I have absolutely no idea what it means, but I will turn it on anyway. And here you can choose your gamut. I will choose sgamut3.cine, S-Log3. And the last option, embed LUT file. You can turn it on or off. I will shoot two videos. One is on and the other is off. And when I view it on my computer, both videos are the ungraded S-Log3 file. The LUT is not baked in the video, so you will still have to color grade it in post-production. But on the camera, when you go to main page, here you can see LUT on or off. It kind of works like the Gamma Assist, but it won't affect the final video. You can just preview the approximate look of the final work. If you want to have your footage graded inside the camera, you will need to use the first method, which is turning off log shooting and select your LUT from the place that is below Picture Profile 11. Do graded videos have the same dual ISO capacity? You can see now I have chosen a LUT, and when I select my ISO, the first number that doesn't have lines around it is 640, which means it's the first base ISO, so it's the same as when I shoot in S-Log3. Now I will shoot two exact same videos. I'm changing the ISO from 6400, 8000, 10,000 and 12,800. One with the LUT baked in and the other doesn't. All the other settings are the same. Now on my computer you can see I have both graded and ungraded footages. I will open them on DaVinci Resolve and apply the same LUT to the footage that doesn't have baked-in LUT. You can see the two clips have the same good low-light performance, and just when it is getting more and more noisy, at 12,800, both footages suddenly clean up. So the takeaway of this video is that by selecting your LUT from picture profile, you can have the video graded inside the camera. You don't have to spend extra time color grading in post-production. And if you don't want to have baked-in LUT, all you have to do is turn on log shooting setting. And no matter you turn on or off embed LUT file, the result is the same. It won't affect the final video. And yes, the graded videos still have the same dual base ISO. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.